Dito birthday ni Donna! Nakakainis kayo! Sa'yo na ako, Pap. Iba ka talaga. May blessing ka na. May blessing ka na ng mga tumpa. Shucks! Naunahan mo pa kami. Naunahan mo pa kami. Dito birthday ni Donna! Nakakainis kayo! Hala! Nakakainis!
Sorry for the long day. I know it's been a long day. Huh? They're here. So, Proverbs 18:22 says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. I believe God brought us together as a token of his love for us. I'm truly blessed to call you my best friend, my lover, and my biggest supporter. So I hope that you feel the same way towards me. I want to continue to build a Christ-centered relationship in which I will lead and serve you with the best of my abilities. Your genuine, loving, compassionate heart are the crown of your beauty. You and the kids are my home, and I can't imagine life without y'all. With that being said, I brought all of our friends, family, loved ones here today to bear witness and ask you one thing. Zainab Harake, would you make me the happiest man in the world?
Oh,
Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes.